back to Sparkman Homestead. My name is Krista. I have another Azure haul for you guys. This is my September order. So I am going to get right into it because I've actually had this stuff sitting in my car for a while and I know some of it has to go into the fridge. So let's get started. This box is glued together. That is very weird. Oh, that's why it's glued together, because this is an actual box of all the same products. So as you know, on most of my Azure standard hauls, I normally get this apple juice. We really love it, especially my husband Steven. This is his favorite apple juice. Same with my son. So I decided this month to order, what did I get? 2, 4, 6, 8 of them. You get a discount when you order more than one. So I ordered 8 because he goes through this so quickly. I also kind of want to, and I think I said this on my other Azure haul, I'm wanting to experiment with seeing if I can maybe make some apple jello with this stuff. That whole box is these things. I thought I had a lot of boxes for normal. The other nice thing with these apple juices is they actually don't need to be stored in the refrigerator. They can just sit in a pantry until you're ready to open it, and then once you open it, then obviously it needs to go into the fridge. Okay, let's see what we got in this box. Hopefully the camera's not too far away from you guys. I did mention this again on my other Azure haul that I was going to be trying to stock up on some of these wax candles. This is a really good deal for these candles. These are a 6-inch candle and they're supposed to have a pretty long burn time. You can see here I've started to burn one of them and I really enjoy them. I've actually looked on different websites and Azure Standard is pretty good price compared to some of the other companies that I looked at. So I got another package of this. I think I'll maybe get one more. I'm trying to put one on each of my orders. That way I have 3 packages for the winter because I really want to have these for the dark winter nights. I can just light a candle and it really just sets the mood. It sets a warm mood in the house. So I really like these ones. And then one of my favorite pastas that I always get from Azure is these. These are a bow tie pasta and they are gluten-free. We are not a gluten-free house, but these are really good. They cook up like a regular pasta and they're one of our favorites. So I ordered 3 boxes of them because you do get a discount with the 3. So as I always say with all my Azure hauls, that I will leave the prices below for you guys, so that way if you are interested in it, you can know roughly what to expect. The prices do change every now and then. They do go up and down kind of based on many different factors, so it may not necessarily be that price in the future. So the other thing that I picked up that I really love is these plain raisins. They are a little bit more expensive than the Thompson raisins, but I really like them. Like, I like them a lot better than the Thompson raisins. So I picked up a 5-pound bag of these. These will last me a little bit. I don't go through them a lot. Like, I'm thinking that this will probably get me through at least 6, maybe 8 months. I may go through it a little bit quickly though with Thanksgiving and Christmas kind of coming up. I do a lot of holiday baking, so I may actually kind of burn through those a little bit quicker than normal. I also picked up a case of these. These are, with canning season right now, I have been going through so much lemon juice, and it is recommended when you are canning to use a bottled lemon juice because it has the right acidity level that you need. It's what they say is the safest. So I picked up a case of these just because, again, I've been going through it a whole bunch. And I also have a couple of watermelons from my garden that I need to get used. And I have seen a lot of people posting about a watermelon lemonade concentrate. And I was thinking about potentially making that. And I'm gonna use lemon juice for it because I don't have any fresh lemons. So I bought this kind of thinking that may work for that as well. This box was in the freezer section and I honestly can't remember what I ordered that was in the freezer area. So we'll see. It's been sitting in my car for a couple hours, so hopefully it's not completely melted. Oh, okay. It's fine if it is melted. I ordered these tortilla wraps. I forgot that they always come in the freezer. These are really, really good tortilla wraps. These are the Stacy Organic White Flour Tortillas. They have very, very basic ingredients in them. They are a very clean tortilla. They just have organic white flour, water, organic sunflower oil, baking powder, salt, and citric acid, and that is it. I know it is very easy to make tortillas, but with busy car show season right now, my husband Steven works in the car industry, and there is like back-to-back car shows right now, so we have just been going non-stop. So I kind of picked these up as really quick meal ideas. I can just quickly brown some meat, make some tacos with it, and we already have the pre-made tortillas. So that is a convenience thing for us, but they're really, really good. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this. See, I'm thinking ahead. I ordered a 5-pound bag of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar or icing sugar, whatever you call it. And with the baking season coming up, I decided to get some more icing sugar because I'm getting a little bit low and I do not want to run out when it comes to making like the pies and the cookies and all that stuff. So I am stocking up ahead of time on this. I know that you can definitely make your own powdered sugar by just putting like white granulated sugar in your blender and you essentially just blend it all up. But again, this is kind of like a time-saving thing that I'm giving myself grace. So I picked this up. All right, we're on the last box. This is gonna be a little bit of a quick haul, a little quick video for you guys. I have just had a very busy day. Sometimes I forget how big boxes are. I ordered a 4.5-pound box of rigatoni pasta. I forgot how big these packages are. So I'm gonna have rigatoni for a while. This is, again, kind of like the bow tie pasta. We have recently really been enjoying rigatoni, and with the fall season now, I say we're in fall now, definitely we're at the end of September. I'm going to be making a lot more soups and stews, and I have a couple of really good recipes that actually call for the rigatoni, so I decided to, I guess, stock up for a while on it. The same thing with like what I'm saying with the powdered sugar and the tortilla wraps. You can definitely make your own pasta, but these are what I call my convenience items or my fast food items. I primarily make a lot of things from scratch. In fact, I probably say I make 80% of our stuff from scratch, but I really learned lately that with certain things, I'm giving myself a little bit of grace. If it is available to buy and it is not overly expensive and the product, like the ingredient list is really good, I am giving myself that grace and just kind of buying that fast food for myself right now. But you can definitely make it a lot cheaper than purchasing it, but again, grace. So this is the October sales flyer. You get this free with your orders if they have them available. Like I say in most of my stuff, I really kind of like just sitting down and reading this. You can see what new products they're coming out with, if there's any sale items, but I mostly just like it because I like seeing what new products Azure has coming out. So that I will read. And I ordered another big thing of coconut oil. We've been going through coconut oil pretty quickly. This is organic coconut oil, and it is expeller pressed coconut oil. So I picked some of this up. This was a really good price. I know it's not the extra virgin kind, but we like this and it works great for us. So it is completely hardened right now, so it just needs to soften up because Azure Standard ships everything in their refrigerator trucks, so it is pretty rock solid. The other thing I stocked up on is this liquid Aminos. This was a pretty good price. It is actually leaking, so I am going to be very careful with it. The lid must have come loose on it. Yeah, that's okay. I didn't lose any product, so that's fine. I'll just go wash it off. I really enjoyed having this liquid Aminos instead of the soy sauce. This is also a soy product. This is a byproduct. Let's see here what it says. Vegetable protein from soybeans. So it is not soy free. I've tried the coconut Aminos and we are honestly not fans of it. but we do really like this liquid amino. So I got a big one just so we can stay stocked up. I'm actually gonna go put this over by my sink because it's leaking. Getting down to the last stuff. I ordered a 1 pound bag of ginger. This is a yellow organic ginger. I purchased this because I really like to have this available, especially with baking coming up. I'm also planning on making a fire cider, so I needed some ginger for that, so I ordered some of this. I was gonna get a horseradish also from Azure, but it is pretty expensive there. I know it's organic, but I did find it available at a local grocery store, so I'm just gonna go pick that horseradish up there, and then I'm gonna make a fire cider with this. One little trick that I have, and I say it on a lot of my cooking videos whenever I am using ginger, I put this in the freezer and it lasts forever. Like really, it lasts forever. I have stuff in there that has been in there for a while. And it also makes it really, really easy to zest. If it is frozen, it just zests really, really easy. So that is just kind of a little trick that I have with ginger, is to put it in your freezer. It will last forever. One other thing I picked up was a cream of tartar. I picked up a 1 pound bag of it. A lot of recipes lately that I've been making actually call for a cream of tartar, and I am down to just a little. I think I only have like 4 ounces left, so I'm getting some more so I can stock up on this for a while. This will last me a very long time because not a lot. Like, and when you do use it, it only usually calls for like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, so it will last a while. Picked up our favorite sour cream. This is the Nancy's sour cream. This stuff is delicious, delicious. If you've never tried it, I highly recommend trying it. It is really, really good. I don't mind paying a little bit extra for this stuff. I know there are definitely cheaper sour cream options available, but this stuff is worth the extra amount. And I love when it's on sale. I don't think it was on sale this month, but if I can get it on sale, I love it. And then the last thing we have in here is some orange. It's like an orange jam, I think, or maybe an orange marmalade. It's a fruit spread. These were on sale this month. I'll show you. I really want to make my own marmalade, but it is not citrus season right now. That'll be in the winter. I think we actually may be planning on going to Florida and actually going to a couple of U-Pig farms because I really want to make our own orange marmalade, but this looks really delicious. This has pretty clean ingredients. Well, it does have really clean ingredients actually. It just has organic apple juice, oranges, orange pulp, organic orange juice, apple pectin, and vitamin C and citric acid. So really, really good. And it's only got 33% less sugar than regular preservatives. I like this brand. We actually got a grape jam last month, and I have been loving my peanut butter and jam sandwiches lately. So this is our last thing that we picked up this month. So that is my little haul for the month of September. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a short video because I didn't get too much this month. This was kind of the majority of my cost this month, so I kind of tried to keep a lot of stuff down. Plus, we are only a family of 2. I do have 2 children, but they are away at school, so they are not living here full time. So I am not feeding a large family. This is, again, just primarily just me and my husband. So this is kind of our groceries, and I keep a pretty big pantry. I can a majority of our stuff. So this is just kind of just a little top up of just the little things that I would typically have to go to a grocery store to buy. I just get them on Azure Standard because I love the company and I love that their products are really good and clean products. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.